Hello people, it's Shazan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some gems in the crypto world. Following this idea, I have brought you an amazing project named as IBEX coin. So let's get started. So IBEX is a hyper-deflationary community-owned fair launch token. Decentralized deflationary rug pull proof, building the future of BSC payments. So IBEX is a true deflationary community-driven token. This token has been deployed to be a simple and understandable for anyone who wants to get involved. Thanks to the simplistic nature of tokenomics, IBEX is completely rock-proof. There's no initial wallet owning any part of the distribution, and there's no transaction fee going toward a developer, marketing, or admin wallet. They have built IBEX with the intention of ensuring its community members have a say in how the coin is marketed and how it develops long term. So IBEX is controlled by no one marketing and awareness. So IBEX is built solely by its community members. The original LP has been burned, which means from here the only way is up. IBEX is community member will continue to build on top of their already expensive marketing and share development ideas, growing IBEX together. So why are they different? Their token separates itself from other shitcoins out there by the diversity of core development team. 20 people of different nationalities have come together, pooling their skills of conceptual design, marketing, web development, brand creation, and community outreach to build a staunchly collaborative approach to cryptocurrency. With years of experience in crypto, they have fine-tuned the necessary ingredient to build a platform that allow us, along with our community members, to come up with and develop unique ideas for growth of IBEX, ensuring it stays driven on long-term basis. They have their roadmap mentioned here, some FAQs. So let's go through their roadmap. Roadmap shows what this project have done and what are they going to do next. So website is launched, stat launch, community building done, community contest done, testing out marketing strategies, marketing budget increase not done, CoinGecko listing, coin market cap listing done, delta listing, blockfolio listing, coin audit, IBEX tracker, V1 launch, influencer marketing not done, explore further, web20 chart viewer, IBEX tracker V2 launch, project announcement, merge, community crowdfunding. In August they would do the lighting, the way, exchange listings, NFT platform concept, more to be announced. This was pretty much for their website. Let's have a look at the tokenomics. So has been launched on Binance Smart Chain. It's a Web20 token. The token name is IBEX. It have 9 decimals. The total supply is 1 quadrillion. The burn token is 500 trillion, and the total distribution is 500 trillion. There is no admin wallet, there is no developer wallet, there is no marketing wallet, and there is no owner wallet. Tokenomic feature: there is a 7% total fee on each transaction. 5% will go to the locked liquidity, which will increase the stability in price. 2% fees is redistributed to the holders as the passive income. So let's have a look at the PooCoin chart here. From here it shows a bullish graph. As you can see, it found a lot of support, and from here resistance started, and it was it dropped all the way to here, then it have some support, and after that it drop again. So now it's showing some support, and a lot of candles, green candles are here in the chart. As you can see, it has broke the resistance line here, and it's going to make another line here, like it's the daily resistance lines. Like it didn't cross it here, but it will here. Like you can see, it's a lot of green here. So people are buying a lot of tokens. As you can see, the transfer reports here, it's all in green. This is their coin market cap. It has been up 90%, and the 24-hour trading volume is $231,000. The fully diluted market cap is $4.7 million with a up percentage of 90%. And you can see the main market people used to buy it is PancakeSwap. To buy this on PancakeSwap, you just have to open this PancakeSwap, and you should follow the steps like copy address from here, select a currency, paste it here, click import, click I understand, import, connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, any wallet you have. Once you do that, enter the amounts. For 1 BNB you are getting this much IBEX. Click swap and pump your bags with it. As for the Hoodler report, let's see. So 6,146 addresses, means these are the hodlers. 15,556 transfer have been made. You can see the transfer report here. People bought a lot of tokens, and that's why it's getting close to top 10 biggest gainers. As for the 53%, it's a banner address, so tokens would burn there, and the supply would get scarce, and circulating supply would get scarce, and ultimately increase the price floor. This 3.12% are locked in liquidity, and people don't have that much coin. If they sell it, so it would go to rug pull. So it is amazing. So this was pretty much for their website and analytics. Let me show you their social media. The Telegram have 678 members. You can write IBEX coin in the Telegram search bar and join it for yourself. Know the community, talk to them. You can also join their Twitter by following them here. They have 3,360 followers, and they have posted a gainers record of coin market cap. So that's amazing. So if you want to go with IBEX coin, I will leave the website link of it in the description box. You can do your research. If you want to invest in this project, you can buy it on PancakeSwap. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decrypts, where we would bring you more gems from the crypto world. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BSC to support us. Thank you.